Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: x minus 2 power x squared minus 4 equals to 1. Let's provide solution to this question very quickly. And we know that the first thing here is to copy what we have. We have x minus 2, then here power x squared minus 4, and the answer should be equal to 1. Now here, this left side, so that to get 1 we can let left side, or here we can assume left side here, which is x minus 2, then here power x squared minus 4 should be equal to 1, and this will be only that when we have x minus 2 power 0, right? So that when you have this one, which is power 0, should be equal to 1. What it means is this one, we should get here x squared minus 4, which equals to what? And here when we have power 0, this should be like this. To mean that here we should get x minus 4, which equals to 0, and we should get this one, which is x minus 2, which equals to 1. Now let us here solve. X squared minus 4 should be equals to 0, and here this is a difference of two squares where we can split them to get x minus here 2 times x plus 2 should be equals to 0, and here we shall get x minus 2 equal to 0, or x plus 2, which equals to 0. Now here I have x, which is equals to 2, or x, which equals to negative 2. Now this is our solutions. Now we can come up here to the second equation where we have x, right? So we have x minus 2, which equals to 1. I shall get x, which is equals to 1 plus 2, and we shall get x, which equals to 3. To mean that we have 3 solutions. But according to the equation that we have given, we should get only 2, because the highest power is 2. Now let us check if the answer we have got, if they are correct. We have given here x minus 2 power x squared minus 4 equals to 1. By starting from here, we have 2 minus 2, and here 2 squared is equal to 4 minus 4 equals to 1, and here this is a 0, power 0, which equals to not, which is not equal to 1. And you know that this is indeterminate form or case, so that here 2 does not belong to our solution. We shall reject this. Now here on the second one, here we have what? We have negative 2 minus 2, then power 4 minus 4, and this will be 1. So that here we have negative 4 power 0, which is equals to 1, and we have 1, which is equals to 1. Left hand side equals to right hand side, so that here our 2 is correct, negative 2. And the last one here is 3. We shall get here 3 minus 2 power 9 minus 4, which equals to 1. And the answer should be 1 power 5, which equals to 1, and here 1 equals to 1, left hand side equals to right hand side. So that here our 3 is in among of the solutions that we have. Solution set should have x to x should be equal to -2 and 3. I can say that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.